everybody. So I am starting off the vlog in my apartment and I'm vlogging on my phone, and I don't know, I feel like if I start vlogging on my phone it'll be easier to vlog in public without that big camera. But I am getting ready for Christmas and everything, and I have 2 holiday parties to go to tonight. And I feel like I need to go to Target to get a few Christmas cards because I don't want to walk into anyone's house like empty-handed. They said they didn't need like food or anything, so just want to be nice and just get them like a Christmas card. And I just wanted to take you guys with me because it's something different, and yeah, I just want to take you guys along with me. But I did want to show you guys like a little new hobby that I've picked up. All right, so I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing lately. And I just feel like they're so cute. Like, I never knew that I could paint. So one day I just went to Michael's and just got some canvases and some paints, and this happened. So I feel like I'm pretty good at it, and it's also very, very fun. Painting is like my new thing now, and I'm also like working on a new piece right now. I don't think I can draw, but I can definitely like write certain things, draw like you know, the little symbols that I was doing. But as far as like a scenic attraction, no. But it's definitely fun. And yeah, so if you have any ideas for me like to paint or whatever, DM me on Instagram and let me know, because yeah, I'm open to trying new things as far as painting. And right now the reason why it's those colors is because I actually want to put them up in my room. And I really don't want to do like exotic colors right now because that just would not match my apartment, and I don't want just like random pieces up. But you know, if you have an idea and you want to buy it from me, no, I'm kidding. But no, if you do, just hit me up, because I don't know, this could be like a little fun thing that I do, because I really want to paint, but I'm running out of things to paint for my apartment. So if you need something, or if you think like one of those pieces that I showed you were cute and you want one, just let me know, because yeah, it's fun to me. But right now I'm about to head to Target and pick up a few items, and then I have a few other errands I need to run, and I need to do that before all of the shenanigans tonight, because I don't know how I'm about to do 2 Christmas parties in one night, but we're gonna make it happen. Okay, so I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I really don't want to get a Christmas card anymore, because Target doesn't have just regular happy holidays cards. Like, they're just really extra. And I'm also looking for my mom and sister card, a gift. And I took a L because I don't know what to get them. And I feel like I don't know. I'm just not having luck. But I did find a calendar, and this was like $3. And I had one for my work desk. And then I did get my mom and sister something, but I'm not gonna show y'all because of course they watch my videos, and I'm not sure when this is going up. But I feel like that's not enough. And it's too late to order stuff, so. Daughter of the year, daughter and sister of the year. Okay guys, so I found my mom and my little sister a gift, and well, gifts, and I feel like they're really thoughtful and they'll get put to use. Hopefully my little sister likes her gift, because I already know her reaction. She's gonna be like but I feel like she'll like it. So I still did not find a Christmas card. So I don't know what to do because I'm not about to pay $5-6 for a card. But I honestly love cards. Like, if you ever want to get me a gift and you don't know what to get me, you can just literally get me a card and like write something in it, and I'll be so happy. Like, I love cards, but I'm not sure if anyone else likes cards. And the person that's hosting the party, like, she's not really like in her feelings like that. So I don't know if she would like really keep the card actually. So I really don't want to spend that much on a card. And I went into another store and I couldn't find one. They were like all in Spanish. So I don't know what to do, y'all. I will go to one more place to see if I can find a card. If not, then I guess I just have to go to the party empty-handed, and I really don't want to do that. Am I thinking about it too hard? Like, what do you bring to someone's house? Like, you're welcoming me into your home for a party, and I'm just walking in, eating all your food. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna find a card, but maybe I'll just have to pay $5-6 for a card, and I'm gonna have to let her know, like, girl, you need to keep this. So but now I'm at McDonald's. I need a frappe in my life, and I'm weird like that because it is cold outside, and I'm about to get this cold drink, but whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. I don't know, I just feel like I'm in shambles. I think it's because I thought that my mom and sister were coming to Dallas, so I've been like chilling because I'm like, okay, cool, I ain't gotta like, you know, travel like that. I can have all the gifts here and get them shipped to my apartment and don't have to worry about all that. But girl, no, that's not the deal. Hold on, I'm acting like I'm on the phone. It's a little crock over here.
Yes, can I help you?
Hi, can I get a small caramel frappe?
Okay.
And that's all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey y'all, so I'm back from running errands and I'm about to make me something to eat, and then I'm just going to chill out for the rest of the day until it's time for me to start getting ready for the holiday parties tonight. So I think I have an idea of what I'm going to wear, but y'all know how it is. Like when you have an outfit pictured in your head and then you put it on and it's just like not hitting on what you thought it was gonna hit on. And hopefully that doesn't happen to me tonight, because for some reason I'm just so like, I don't feel like trying the outfit on until it's time for me to start getting ready. So hopefully when it is time for me to get dressed, it'll all work out. I'm trying to figure out like what I want to do with my hair tonight. I don't know, because right now, if I make it cute, like this little sleek ponytail thing would work, but y'all, I need like natural hairstyles so bad because I just don't know what to do with my hair. And like people are like, oh my gosh, like do your hair like this, do your hair like that, and I'm just like, who's gonna do it? Because not me. But I'm just gonna cook. I have a HelloFresh meal that I need to make. So what is this? It's called Lone Star Poblano mac and cheese. Y'all know I can't pronounce stuff, but yeah, I'm not gonna do a cooking video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make this and I'll let y'all know if it's good or not. And shout out to my granny, because I actually got one of my Christmas gifts the other day, and she got me a cooking set. So I got new pots and new utensils. So shout out to you for, you know, helping out my kitchen. I was telling her like, I feel like this gift is shady because she watches my videos and like she thinks my cooking videos are so funny, and she was like, why do you use a fork like with your pots and stuff? And yeah, so she's getting me right, y'all. So my next cooking video, y'all be able to see my new stuff. But thank you, Granny, for my gifts, and I can't wait to see you and Pop soon. I think like next week, yeah. So yeah, y'all, I'll go ahead and start cooking, and then I'll pick up the camera later on today. All right, so I wanted to show y'all the final product. I think I'm gonna put it back in the oven for a little while longer just so it can brown a little bit more, because this is what it's supposed to look like and this is what it looks like. But it smells so good. Yeah, but I don't know, like it's a meal, but I feel like I'm going to still be hungry after this because I didn't make anything else with it, and there's like no meat or anything, but it looks like it's gonna be pretty filling. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. Hey guys, so right now I'm currently rushing. I don't know how because I haven't done anything all day, but the party starts at 7. And what is up with my camera? Okay, the party starts at 7, and I already planned not to get there at 7 because I don't want to be the first person there. But now it's like 7:15 and she lives like 20 minutes from me, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out. Of course, I had a wardrobe malfunction because I was so lazy and never wanted to try on my outfit. So what I originally wanted to wear was the outfit that I have on, but with some tights and like some booties. But I ordered from this website, and I won't say. Sorry, someone just texted me and I was like reading it. But the tights, like, I can't even pull them all the way up. Like, I don't know. And I got the regular size, so I don't know what's going on. But yeah, so I just put on some thigh-high boots with it, and my boots keep like sliding down. Y'all know how like thigh-high boots do. And like I was trying to like find a hack on YouTube how to like keep them up, but I don't have any of the items that they're using. So yeah, I'm just gonna be pulling up my boots all night. But I'll go ahead and show y'all what I have on, and then I need to dip. Okay, y'all, so this is my outfit. Yeah, like my boots just slouch, like, and it's gonna be irritating me all night, I already know. But if I get a picture, I'm gonna pull these bad boys up real quick, snap, snap, and then they're gonna droop right back down, but it's okay. So it's like details in the skirt. It's like some red and green details, so Christmassy, I guess. I was gonna wear like a turtleneck with it. Yeah, I'm so out of breath because I've been rushing and like, I don't know. I just really had high hopes for this outfit, but I guess it's still cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I don't know, guys, but I'll see y'all in a second.